Imagine a hidden oasis right in your backyard, a place where nature thrives and a continuous supply of organic food is always within reach. Introducing My Survival Farm, your very own permaculture garden, designed to blend seamlessly into your surroundings. With My Survival Farm, you're not just growing food, you're cultivating peace of mind. Our system is specifically designed to be invisible to nosy neighbors and potential looters, ensuring your family's security and privacy. Our permaculture approach mimics natural ecosystems, providing you with a sustainable and efficient way to grow organic food. No chemicals, no fuss, just pure, fresh produce right at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, My Survival Farm is easy to set up and maintain. It's perfect for anyone looking to ensure their family's food security in uncertain times. Imagine the joy of serving your loved ones meals made from food you've grown yourself. Healthier, tastier, and entirely your own. Create your hidden oasis today. Click to learn more about My Survival Farm and take the first step towards a more secure and self-sufficient future. My Survival Farm, ensuring your family's food security, one garden at a time. Learn more or get started today.